Then we can add what I call a rambo over here. I love using it in my beats. What's up? What's good? It's your favorite music producer, beat maker, and creative entrepreneur, Riccobeatz, aka Mr. 808, in the building. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit subscribe, hit like, drop a comment, so that I can be able to bring you more of such beat making videos over the week. All right, so today we are simply going to make a beat, a dancehall, Gengetone, Genge vibe, and I just urge you to relax and enjoy. Let's get it. Let's just get a simple melody, preferably a flute kind of melody. We can work around that, then we see how it's going to sound. Let's get it. Let's record that straight away. Let's record it on pattern 1. Let's get it. No, that's too fast. Let's do 199. No, 98. Let's get it. Oops. Let's get it. Right. Then we can add another instrument. Remember to always save your beat. Every instrument you add, just save your beat. And now let's add the third instrument, still from Nexus. I love using Nexus so much. Nexus 3 is so good, so should get it if you don't have it. That's it. Simple. And we quantize that. Then we play it all together. Yeah. Then we can add what I call a rambo over here. I love using it in my beats. It's like some hi-hats that I sampled from an old reggaeton hit song. So I have it right here. All right. Let's stretch that up to there. Right. Right, now we can do some kicks and some snares already. All right. Sometimes you have to really go through a lot of instruments so that you can get what you want. So whenever you come across the ones that you like, just make sure that you group them in some folders so that when you need them, you can be able to access them more easily, more quick, because remember that time is money, and you need to save that a lot of times when you are creating. Fill there, fill there, fill there. Then now we can look for some good kick drum. Then we can add some hearts. Let's get it. Then at this point we can look for a good 808 bass. Let's get it. Remember to save your work every now and then. Let's look for an 808 from Nexus. Remember to hit like. Hope you're enjoying, hope you're learning something, hope you're feeling the vibes. The beat is available. It's called Zogo, like Zogo. It's just a Gengetone phrase, so if you need it, holla. The link to the full beat is down there in my description below. Click, download it, use it to write. And remember, if you want to use it commercially, then you have to just purchase a lace. So let's get it. Basic drum roll like this one. Put it on reverse mode. And now at this point we're almost finishing the beat, so we can do like just a small arrangement from the introduction. We have this here and this one over here. Have the bass of button 8 right there. Have this one. And then at this point we can put the producer tag right here. Label it tag. Guys, remember to hit like below, drop a comment, subscribe. When we hit 100 likes, I'll be dropping another video like this. So now at this point I can just show you what we've done up to this point. The beat is done, by the way. I just need to arrange it and upload it. And remember, that one will be done in a few minutes. So the beat will be available in the link in my bio or description below. The beat is called Zogo, like Zogo. Yeah, it's available. Let's get it.
Riccobeatz, Mr. 808.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bless up.